In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Slack. Turning on 2FA adds an extra layer of protection to your account. That means even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to sign in without a temporary verification code from your mobile device. For the best security, it's recommended to use an authenticator app instead of text messages, since app-based codes are generally more secure and more reliable. Before you begin, keep in mind that if your organization uses single sign-on through a provider like Okta, Azure, or Google Workspace, you may need to manage your two-factor settings there instead of inside Slack. To get started, open your web browser, go to your Slack workspace, and sign in if needed. Once you're inside Slack, look to the far left sidebar and click your profile avatar near the bottom. In the menu that appears, select Profile. This will open your profile panel. From there, find the More option, shown as 3 dots, and click it. Then choose Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in a new browser tab. On the account page, make sure you're on the Main Settings tab. Scroll until you find the two-factor authentication section. Click the Expand option to open that area. Then click the green button to activate two-factor authentication. Slack will ask you to confirm your identity first, so enter your password and click Confirm Password. Next, choose the option to use an app. Now, grab your phone and open your preferred authenticator app. In the app, tap the plus symbol or the Add Account option. Then point your phone's camera at the QR code shown on your computer screen. This links your Slack account to the authenticator app. If the QR code doesn't scan properly, use the link that says you can't scan the barcode, and Slack will give you a code you can enter manually instead. Once the account is added, your authenticator app will begin showing a rotating 6-digit verification code. Look at that code on your phone, then return to your computer and click in the code field below the QR code. Enter the 6-digit code before it refreshes, and then click Verify Code and Activate. After that, Slack will display backup codes. This step is extremely important. Download them or copy them right away and store them somewhere secure, like a trusted password manager. These backup codes can help you get back into your account if you lose access to your phone. And that's it. Your Slack account is now better protected with two